Well, hello, New York! You get a view. You get a view. Everyone gets a view. Hello, don't mind me. I don't live here. Hey everybody, it's me, Carson Kressley. We're here on the Upper East Side of Manhattan, and I heard this penthouse is amazing, so let's go look around. Ooh, foyer, you stay. Oh my goodness, look at this, it's ribbed for my pleasure. I guess this must be the entertaining area because the bar is here. I'll bet there's a full-on fridge here. Oh, it's a wine cellar, but it's in the wall. Good morning, great to see you. This is fancy. Look at this bar, it says push. Look at that. You could plug your blender in there and no one would ever know the outlet was here. Boop. I think I broke that. Look at this, it's onyx for miles. And then you just come over here and you would lounge. Very modern furnishings, French doors that wrap around. Oh, I feel like a realtor today. And then over here, the conversation area, there is a fireplace that's a window. And then you can see outside. Hello. I just saw a squirrel, you guys. He's so warm. He's roasting his nuts by the fire. So am I. Well, hello, New York! You get a view. You get a view. Everyone gets a view. Hello, don't mind me. I don't live here. More marble. We've got a slate floor. This is interesting. Ooh, copper. I don't even know her. And then over here, look at this. Dining table for, well, I don't do math, but a lot of people. Ma'am, you should put a top on. These neighbors. Surely they've got to have a grand primary suite up in here. Found it. Look at this. Hold on. Let me pick my jaw up off the floor. This is incredible. Beautifully high lacquered, ebonized wood, gorgeous carpets. The walls are velour, people. And then this, of course, is the office, more glamorous wood paneling. Beautiful fireplace, also wrapped in the same stone. You know, you could just, lounge in here when you take your important meetings, as moguls do. Yeah, no, Al and I built this company. I am mogling so hard right now. God, I'm exhausted. All right, and they're telling me there's a third floor, so it's gotta be up here, right? Really getting my steps in. And when you come up here, after those stairs, you can come in here and do more exercise stuff. I don't know what this is. It's like a computer or something attached to a moving sidewalk. But then, come out here and you've got all of Central Park right at your feet. And then of course this self-portrait. I mean, we have the same nose, same surgeon. Well, that was fun and a workout, so thanks for joining me. I've got to keep moving along. All right. Hey guys, come on over and see my new place. But make it snappy, I only have it for 11 minutes. All right, I'll see you soon.